What is up, everybody? It is Michael Train, artist and owner of Train and Vein Tattoos here in Salina, Kansas. I got a pretty exciting video today. I'm going to be unboxing my brand new camera I just got in from Nikon. The camera just came in, so I haven't even unboxed it yet. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the box and I'm going to show you guys what we've got. So it's a pretty big box. I did order a tripod as well, and I ordered the accessories kit, but the accessory kit is on back order, unfortunately. So let's see if I can get this open. Let's see what we've got. I will do a video on the accessory kit as soon as that comes in. Let's throw this bubble wrap to the side. All kinds of bubble wrap. All right. So here we have our tripod. I got the compact outdoor tripod. It looks to me like most of the other products were not available at that time, so I went ahead and got this outdoor one, which I don't see why it wouldn't work. Here is the box for the camera. And nothing too special. First, we'll go ahead and we'll set this tripod off to the side. We'll open that here in a minute. So here we have the Z30 by Nikon. This camera, I got the one lens kit. It totaled out to about $6.99 for just this camera. I also got the creator's accessory kit and the tripod, so I think my total was $8.99 for all three items, and that was free 2-day shipping. And like I said, the accessory kit is on back order, so hopefully that'll be here soon and I could do a review over that as well. But today we will definitely check out this new camera. So we've got little cord for charging and connecting. Let's see. Little Nikon strap. Looks like a extra battery or the battery. Put that back in there. Have, looks like the lens kit. Open that up. So here is the lens kit. Brand new lens from Nikon. Put that back on so nothing bad happens. But there is that brand new lens kit. Let's go ahead and grab the camera out of here. I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this box. So there is the camera. It is beautiful. So this is the Nikon Z30. Again, I paid for the one lens kit $6.99 for the camera. I believe the tripod was $99.99, and then the creator's kit, I got their Black Friday special. I believe I got $50 off. Believe it was $150 for the creator's accessory kit. So there you guys have it. That is the brand new camera. It feels very well made. I mean, go ahead and open it up. It does have the mirror screen, which is awesome. I really like that. Yeah, guys, I mean, I'm very excited to use this camera. I want to continue to grow my YouTube channel, and not only grow my YouTube channel, but take quality photos of my work. And I think this camera is definitely going to allow me to be able to do that. I will definitely see how it goes. Hopefully this will be my last video on an iPhone. So we've got the camera here. We might as well open up the tripod and check that out as well. Let's go ahead and attach this lens. So here, before the lens goes on with the cap off, again, very high quality. Here's the lens. We'll go ahead and attach that. And there we go, my friends. We have a beautiful camera setup. I am very excited. So let's go ahead. We're going to grab the tripod now, and let's see how the tripod looks. Again, I got the outdoor tripod. I couldn't find options available for any indoor ones. They seem to be out of stock, so I went ahead and got this outdoor one. It's a compact outdoor tripod, so I think it'll work just fine for what I need it to. Alright. Definitely made high quality. I can tell you just from holding it. So we have here our Nikon tripod. Looks great. I mean, I couldn't ask for a better tripod. I don't know why it's even labeled as outdoor, but there we have it. I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of some of this. Alright guys, well that is my product review on the Nikon Z30. I don't have a lot of experience with these types of cameras. I've always used my iPhone for taking photos and videos, so this is going to be a lot of new learning for me, which I'm quite frankly I'm excited about. So if you guys like this video, make sure to subscribe and like the video, and if you guys got any kind of comment or questions, leave them in the comments and I will definitely get back to you. If you'd like to see any other product reviews, I have other reviews on products I use, such as my tattoo machine and the needles I use, and aftercare products that I use. I go through pretty much every product I've used, and I'm going to continue to make more videos in the future to add to that as well. So definitely appreciate it. If you guys watch this video, I am super excited about this camera. Just look how beautiful it is. Go ahead and close that. Thanks again, guys.